Ladies, get ready, because this one is exclusively for you. As the Claudette Peters Show presents Ladies First, the Mother's Day edition, May 13th at the Island Beehive Party Stand from 9 p.m. until. Featuring from Barbados, Alison Hines. From Jamaica, Romain Virgo. From Antigua is the First Lady herself, Claudette C.P. Peters. Also featuring Tian Winter, Menace, Zamoni, Amanda Tappin, Janine, and Angie Blacks. Your DJs are Muzio, Elements, Super Diamond, Woodenfoot, Ibis the Livest, and hosted by Wendy Tittle. Admission is $70 in advance and $80 at the gate. Ladies, get ready for all the glitz and glamour, because it's showtime.